Good afternoon, everybody. We are here Monday afternoon, 77 degrees outside. Still a little bit cloudy, but it is all right. Hopefully you guys are having a good day so far today. We've got Pudgy first in the chat, Pudgy second in the chat, Paul, Nick F, good afternoon to you. Next level Pudgy, Clay's single cousin, what's going on? Sambo, what's going on? Pudgy, Sambo, Pudgy, Sambo. Chris, how you doing, man? Dark Matter, next level, DD214, and Pudgy. I am right here, man. We will open it on up. We've got AMC sitting up 6% on the day. Not bad at all. $15 per share. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 11.85 right now. GameStop curling back over, sitting up 2.5%. QQQ, Crypto Rocketeer could have been correct. All afternoon long, it comes down, and we are sitting just below break even. We are sitting 0.07% in the red right now. Crypto Rocketeer calling a red close after being up basically 1% over here earlier today, and now we are down 0.09%. So we're gonna have to watch that for Crypto Rocketeer and see what happens there. But nonetheless, very volatile day there. We've got Bitcoin sitting down at 22,900 at the moment. Some pretty wild candles right here. Not exactly sure what's going on there, but we've got Bitcoin sitting at 22.9. It's coming down a little bit, guys. I'm okay with it coming down because it makes sense as to why it's coming down right now. So I'm okay watching that. If you guys want to watch that, we're going to watch the NASDAQ if you want to watch the NASDAQ. But nonetheless, we're going to keep something on the chart there. What do we got going on this afternoon, guys? Hello, fam. AMC looking good. DD214. Yes, it is, man. What's up? 10Ds. What's up? Going on? Yo, bro. How you doing? A good day. Pringleton, today is a good day for AMC. Not necessarily a good day for the overall market. Coming back, turning in the red right now. But good day for AMC and GME. That is for certain. Hood bro. We're back with Bitcoin like a few ago. Very sad. Where's the hype, Clay? PS5. I'm telling you, man. The hype comes, the hype goes. The hype comes, the hype goes. It is definitely... I don't know, man. It's wild to see the emotions in investors right now. Let's see if we can... Yes, let's see if anybody wants to join. Yes, join the live stream now if you would like. All right, we are live. Moji asking in the Discord there if we're live. And I'm letting everybody know that we are live. So we'll see if anybody comes in from the Discord. But nonetheless, guys, thank you very much for joining the Discord. If you haven't done so already, really appreciate that. And let's come out here and give you guys the link if you're not currently in the Discord. Let's post that up top of the chat here. Discord, boom, posted, pinned. There we go. All right, checked Revlon today. I've not looked at Revlon today. What is Revlon doing today? Revlon is up 83% today. My goodness, man. Revlon back up to $9 stinking. You guys have to be kidding me on Revlon. Wow. Revlon retesting this level of resistance here in the previous high that we were hitting. Touching $9.90 today. Revlon, the bankrupt company that nobody should be buying, but nonetheless, they are going wild and buying Revlon. This is just... This world that we live in, guys, I don't get it anymore. I don't get it. Wow, man. That's the first time I've seen Revlon today, and it is up big time. Going from $4 to almost $10 per share. Currently up 85.7%. Revlon is absolutely running. Highcroft Mining is up 12%. Redbox is up 16%. Mullen Auto's up 10%. This stuff is going crazy today, man. AMC sitting on some nice steady gains there, though. AMC sitting on 1542 at the moment. So hopefully we get to keep these gains and we don't give them back anytime soon. But Revlon, I did not see Revlon today. That is absolutely wild that we've got 85, 100% swings going on today. Getting things done around the house. A rain day after working 3 hours, so trying to stay productive. Almost fell asleep. Phone was charging. Chris, glad to have you in here and glad you were awake right now, man. Got halted 100%. Pringleton, that's a wild game, dude. I don't even know how else to say it. It's a wild game. Wait, first time texter, rock and roll monkey, man. First time for everything. Hopefully it's not the last. Here to squash beef for the bros. I want to know why I hear you hating on the finance bros. What's up with that? These guys are good guys with a strong community rivaling yours. Hey, if your reasoning is because they cut ties with Mara, I don't accept that as a sufficient reason. Let go of the hate, bro. Let your community grow. rock and roll monkey, dude. I think that you might have the wrong clay, bro. I have no idea what you're talking about. Anybody else know what rock and roll monkey's talking about with the finance? I don't even know who the finance bros are. So I think you might have the wrong clay bro there. I think Luke's looking good today. Luke is actually looking really good today. Sitting there above the rest. We got Bitcoin down 1.5, Shiba up 1.5, Ethereum down 3, and Terra Luna Classic is up 5% right now. So Luke is looking very good today, rolling higher and sustaining these gains. It was actually above 11,000 points per coin earlier. I would say, what time was this, man? Like midnight last night. So Terra Luna Classic absolutely rolling, and now it is back down to 10.2 at the moment, but nonetheless, man, Terra Luna Classic holding on to some very strong gains today, outpacing the overall crypto market, which is what you want to see if you expect Terra Luna Classic to maintain the volatility and excitement. Excitement is the word I want to use, because people really love when prices are soaring, contrary to what the overall crypto market is doing. PS5 future game, I'm doing pretty good today. It's not just 100-degree range. It's not in the 100-degree range, so I'm good. Nice, Dark Matter. Yeah, dude, you'd probably be wearing a hoodie just like this if it was 76 degrees outside. I don't know what their ownership is like. I wonder if the hedge funds using Revlon for collateral. Yeah, Pringleton. I actually don't know what their ownership looks like. I think that they've got very, very few shares outstanding, though. I don't think they have very large, a very large market cap. So I don't know why, or I don't know if many hedge funds do own them. Apparently, there's a stock ran from 20s to 700 HKD. Why aren't you removing the yeah, Cloud, dude. So we were actually looking at HKD. We've got oh no, wrong button. We've got HKD out here on the chart, on the big chart. We don't have it on the watch list that we're watching there, but you can see, dude. We've got the line here. Wow. Oh my gosh. I thought it ran back down. Oh my god. Hey, remember the idiots that were buying at 420? Remember the idiots that were buying at 420, guys? Oh my gosh. This is the second time I checked today. Earlier today, it was back down to like 283 or something. Wow. Was it STSY we were saying should buy into this because he bought into that one crypto? Oh my gosh, dude. HKD sitting at 767 right now. Guys, you remember the idiots buying at 420? Should we put, I don't even know if we should put a line at 760. Oh, we were talking about chasing it's I think 350, and then we were like, crap, what about the idiots that are going to chase at 420? Now we got this bad boy sitting all the way up at $767. Yes, this stock was $12 per share like 2 weeks ago. What is happening right now? This stock is basically 100xing in the last 2 weeks. What is going on? And the market cap, what market cap? $141 billion right now. The stock's just going to go up to like a $1 trillion market cap. Oh my God. HKD is going to make me sick. Rock and roll. No, man. No. All bros are not equal. Yes. Can you buy slow? Can you a bit slow when you talk? Pandora, you want me to slow down a bit when I talk? Is that what you're saying? I can slow down a bit if I talk. Yeah. So the first Revlon pullback, but I bought this last big pullback. Jacob, did you make some money, man? Did you make some money? Clean Finance Bros cover Shiba, Lunk, and many others. They're not as big as you, but they're coming up. Must be a miscommunication from the commenter. Yeah, dude, rock and roll. I have no idea. Actually, didn't even know who they were. No, I tend not to talk trash about anybody. The only people I really talk trash about, or have recently talked trash about, the CEO of Voyager. I mean, I don't like that guy, okay? The CEO of Voyager, I've talked some trash about him. And then Do Kwon. I've talked some trash about Do Kwon. Other than that, no, dude, I want everybody to be successful. 2 minutes late, 1 minute. Yeah, Pringleton, you should have told me 1 more minute ago. I just now saw it. Can't wait to AMC Trapper. What is going on with HKD, dude? Like $12 to $700. If that market cap is correct, too. Like, if this market cap is correct at $141 billion, yeah, AMC could do this. There's only how many shares outstanding? What do we got here? Shares out. 185 million. This is just mind-boggling to me, man. Mind-boggling to me. Here's the thing, though, guys. Here's the thing. You got to remember, we were calling people idiots at 350. We called them idiots at 420. It dropped back down to 280 today. Nobody wants to buy it at 450 when it dropped back down to 280. Rips up to $767 per share. Like, just look at this afternoon. This is just in the last half hour. 330 was sitting here at 450. This is just the last half hour, guys. It's 8:36 after hours right now. 8:50 after hours right now. What? This is on 1,000 shares. I mean, you gotta keep in mind, 1,000 shares at 850. You're talking $1 million on this volume right here. But nonetheless, man, what is going on? $838 per share right now on HKD. I don't know. I really don't know what else to say about that. What did happen to AMC Cloud? Dude, after seeing crap like that, it obviously can, but I don't know if they've got a stake. I don't know if these people have a stake. HKD just IPO'd, so I imagine that I'm actually gonna put this over here. Otherwise, I'm gonna lose it and forget that it's in this chair. Hedge funds probably don't have a stake in HKD, so they don't care where it goes, man. They're probably not losing any money. Made a big mistake. Never trying to start a beef squash, but no beef to be squashed. Sorry, my bro. No, rock and roll. You're good, dude. You're good. I'm glad you actually came in here and asked, though, man, because I wouldn't want anybody thinking or just, like, going around thinking that I'm talking crap. Like Do Kwon. I really don't care if Do Kwon thinks that I talk crap about him. CEO of Voyager. I also really don't care if he knows that I talk crap about him. Just don't be a thief, dude. Don't be a thief, and then we'll be good. But no, you're good, man. I'm glad you tried to clear it up as opposed to like going around and thinking that I am talking crap about somebody. Click into the CEO of Voyager and be like, eat this banana. Yeah, dude, exactly, Bronson. Eat this banana. I don't even know what the dude's name is. Steven or something? I don't even know what the guy's name is. I laughed at Peeps FOMOing in at 350. Exactly. Outdoor smile. And then we put that line on at 420, thinking it was the top. And it's sitting at $850 a share right now. I'm outperforming the market today. Jacob, it's the best you can do, man. If you outperform the market, you're doing better than you're doing better than 99% of the hedge funds out there if you're outperforming the market. Was this shorted? Kavilo therapy? No. So this was, I don't know what's going on with HKD. It literally just IPO'd like 2 weeks ago. $966. What on earth is happening, my friends? What is going on? $970 it touched. And now it's back down. Look at this. $50 a share, though, on this 1 minute tick. It's ticking $50 a share right here. Oh my gosh. This is just in the last half hour, going from 420 to 970. Oh my goodness. No, dude, this stock just IPO'd. I really don't know what the fascination with it is. I can't tell you that. This stock IPO'd 2 weeks ago, July 15th, at $12.05. I don't know if they just severely misjudged the IPO price or what the deal is. $9.74. It's hitting higher prices. Sitting at $9.74 after hours right now. $140 billion market cap. Oh my God. Emma D! Welcome, rock and roll monkey. We have all of the fun here. Absolutely. Emma D says, what kind of a super chat would it be if I didn't throw a little king unicorn in there? I got you. Man, this is going to be a soft one. I can tell it's going to be a soft one. But I got you nonetheless, Emma D. I got you. You ready for this? Thank you very much, Emma D, for the super sticker, super chat. Sorry, really appreciate that. Emma D, thank you very much for the super chat. And yes, it is true rock and roll. We definitely have all the fun in here, man. HKD's 966, DD214, it's still rolling. HKD's sitting at 950 after hours, touching $975. Oh my gosh. Let's just leave that up for a second and watch it just to see if this stupid thing goes to like $2,000 or something. I can't believe what's happening here. I really can't believe what's happening. I'm so mad at that Pelosi. Yeah, dude, is Pelosi buying this one? I probably get flagged for saying the word Pelosi or something, but is that P lady buying this stock? Is the P man buying this stock right now? We never go soft, Clay. AMC Trapper, you know about it, man. Soft or not, we're here to perform every single day. Let's see. I think everyone's excited HKD because it only has 50... Oh, God. Dude, could you imagine? Oh, hold on. Could you imagine if HKD's got 51 employees, right? Apparently a very small company. Could you imagine all these people have stock options right now? Company goes public. They're going to be allowed to sell, right? They're going to be allowed to sell their shares of the company. Every single one of them just rode this from $12 to $975. They sell and they all quit. They all quit because they just 100x their money, and now they're all sitting on like $350,000 in shares of their company, and they all quit. And the stock plummeted because they had 0 employees. Oh my gosh, dude, that would be the best thing ever. Never do that again, Clay wrote. That's a fine SEC. One that I am willing to stomach, man. One that I am willing to stomach. So find me for being the king unicorn, and I will make it happen. William, better lock a far out expiration. Something I didn't see what William said. Oh, I'll be buying puts on HKD. Yeah, I don't even know if you can. I don't think that there's any options chain out there for HKD right now. So I don't know if you're going to be able to buy. I don't know if you're going to be able to buy options on it or not, dude. But look. We were talking about buying puts on HKD here and here. And we weren't actually talking about it here. I think we started talking about this stock, what, was it Thursday or Friday? When we first started, I don't even know when it was, if it was Thursday or Friday. But yeah, man, we were saying, no way, definitely buy some puts at 420. Today, we're sitting at $851 after hours right now. Insane. We're going to have to come back to that in a second. Oh, MOAS candle to the downside today. Oh, man, dropping us all the way down to 14.14 on that reverse MOAS. We don't like that. Come on now. AMC, what are you doing? Timber. I'm yelling timber. No, Cavilo. We were calling timber last time when it was at 420, dude. Definitely didn't happen. Speaker Peloton. There you go. Kick you out. Something. We want to recruit you. Grab a green name and become a bro. Heck yeah, dude. Amara is a failed project, and we really have the finance bros. Cut ties covering them. They won't leave Shiba or Lunk with a bit of Shinja, though. Felix, wild, isn't it? I'm thinking Bronson, something. This has to be a rug pull. Dude, one and only Bronson. If it's a rug pull, they keep making the rug, though. I mean, the rug just keeps on growing. Look at this. Let them pull it. Like, get out now if you want to get. If you're in, I'm not in, right? I'm certainly not in. I wish I was. I really, really wish I was. This is the kind of crap that I don't want to be saying on AMC. You know what I mean? Like, I don't want to be saying, I wish I was. I wish I was in AMC, or if Shiba's running. I wish I was in Shiba. Like, this is just nuts to me. Whew. Gosh, man. Oh, my gosh. Let's see. And down goes Revlon. A lot of people got hurt in this one today. Mike, yes. Be careful with Revlon if you guys are in it. Revlon jumping up 100% today and down 4%, 3% after hours right now. We've got a very volatile, very risky market going on out there right now. I'm still confused on Terra Luna Classic and Lunatic. What do they have going for them? If Luna is a ban, what programs do they have going on? So Giovanni, as far as like developer growth, nothing. Okay? Nothing. What they've got going on for them right now is a community similar to what Shiba Inu coin has. And I know you could say that Shiba Inu coin's got an ecosystem and developers and so on, but you have to remember, these developers can't actually change anything with Shiba Inu coin. They didn't develop Shiba Inu coin. They're building Bone. They're building Leash. They're building Shiboshis. They're building all of this stuff around Shiba Inu coin. The same thing is kind of happening with Terra Luna Classic right now, and it's happening because it's cheap, right? We went from $100+ to 0.00001, and people view it as a lottery ticket opportunity that maybe one day they can get in with a million Terra Luna Classic, right? They can go out and spend $100 if they want to spend $100 and buy a million Terra Luna Classic. And then maybe one day, even if it goes back to $1, just 1/100th of the price that it was at before, they're sitting on $1 million. So it really has to do with the I guess the hopes and the prospects of it rebounding in price because it looks so cheap right now. That's why a lot of people got into Shiba Inu coin in the first place, because the price was so cheap. But it's not actually because of a project that's being developed, at least as of right now. And like, I can't even say that there is, right? It's just at least as of right now. We don't know what the future holds, but right now, it's the luster of potential that it has. Cover most options and help you guys somehow. Heck yeah, rock and roll. I love it. I would cover XRP, ApeCoin, but I haven't covered AMC. Truthfully, never heard of the... No, AMC's a stock, man. AMC's a stock, not a coin. AMC Entertainment, the theater company. XYO isn't listed on Binance. I've bought some XYO. Do you think we'll go list on... Sam, I don't know Binance's listing process, so I honestly don't know if they're going to list XYO or not. I really don't know their listing process. I got to change pick to Moji. It's all right. You can change whenever you want, man. What are your thoughts on Tectonic? We love Tectonic in here. Macho J, dude. Some people ask, I don't know as much about Tectonic as a lot of people would wish that I know about Tectonic, but, with how many people that talk about it and the staking rewards that it's got, I absolutely hope that it's successful. It is very cheap right now. It has been beaten down in price, but I do hope that we do see some higher gains there. Because I know a lot of people that are in it. They come in here all the time. What up, fam? Riptide Redemption, what's happening, man? What's happening, man? What happened with the Mega Million? Jose, we unfortunately did not win. I believe the winner is from Illinois. I live in Ohio. Did not win that $1 billion, the $1.3 billion in the Mega Millions. But, dude, there's no reason we can't win again and we can't play again. Right? Am I right? I'm right. How about that if China did take out Nancy? I think you can say Nancy. We're just going to have to be on a first name basis. YouTube might not like if you say that P name there, but Nancy, I think there's a lot of Nancys in the world. Would we go to war? She would be an American life, but it's their territory. A lot of people don't like her, but then again, she's our speaker. Yeah, Chris, here's the thing, man, and this is the thing that gets me, and I'm not trying to start some political discussion here because, yeah, I do think that it would be a very heavy conflict if obviously China did anything to an airplane carrying political members, but I just don't understand our fascination with ignoring warnings, right? I just don't understand that part. We got warnings from Russia, and then they follow through. We got warnings with China. If they follow through, what's going to happen? At some point, you gotta just not act like you're the big dog, and don't ignore warnings, man. There's got to be a better outcome or better route to go than that. Click. I don't have any stocks, but there's a first for everything. Yeah, listen, rock and roll, man. If you don't have any stocks, there is a first for everything. Crypto, we definitely talk about a ton of crypto on here. Stocks as well, though, man. Stocks as well. So if you hang around and you decide you got more questions about stocks or want to get into stocks, we do talk a lot about stocks, especially during the live streams, right? A lot of the videos recently have only been on cryptocurrencies. I get that, but we do talk about stocks a lot during the live streams. So if you got any questions, please feel free to ask the questions. If you want to join the Discord, we got a stock section, crypto section, general section of the Discord as of right now. It is a free Discord. There's no paid sections or anything like that, at least at this point. So make sure to check that link out there. It is free if you guys do want to join the Discord. Completely free, right? There's literally no private sections at this point in the game. And then who knows what we'll do in the future. Maybe we make private sections. Maybe we make, different things like that for YouTube members, for Discord members. in different stuff there. So in different roles and things like that. So definitely get in early and be active if you guys want to be front runner for any of the roles. Hey, enough. Next time we will get it. Jose, man, or close enough. I didn't say Clay enough. Close enough, yes. Jose, man, next time we're rolling. Next time I love how you guys never give up hope on some things. You know what? Yeah, close enough, man. We almost had $1 billion. We'll get it next time, though. I love this, man. Hood made a huge mistake. Believe in someone in the comment section. I like your community, and I stick around if you will still have it. Dude, rock and roll, man. Listen, anybody can come here and make any mistake that they want. I would rather you literally come in here hot like that and display your, I don't know, concerns than just be like, oh man, that idiot Clay on the internet, he's an idiot. No, dude, I'd rather have you come in here. We haven't seen Vigilante in here in a long time, but same thing, man, same thing. A lot of people way back in the day saw people spreading crap on Reddit. It just, it's not true or whatever. And then a lot of people would come in here very hot, man. And the ones that actually, I guess, instead of just like trolling or clowning or whatever you want to call it, the ones that actually stuck around, asked questions, dude, they're awesome, man. Vigilante's an OG now. I'm afraid that Luna Classic is going to be like Ethereum Classic. Ethereum goes up, and Ethereum Classic gets put in the back burner. Giovanni, so here's my thoughts on that, okay? You are right if Do Kwon and the developers at Terra Luna are successful. What you're actually seeing right now is Terra Luna Classic with more success than Terra Luna 2.0 has. Do Kwon and these guys are building literally nothing. They're literally building nothing, and their coin is a reflection of that. And as soon as Terra Luna 2.0 runs into some problems, what are they going to do? Start a Terra Luna 3.0? Terra Luna 2.1? Like, what are they going to do at that point, man? They've abandoned one project. Are they going to abandon another? That's the kind of questions you have to ask yourself. And I'm not saying it in any way that I believe Terra Luna Classic is guaranteed to shoot back up to those prices or is guaranteed to hit $50 billion valuations. It is a lottery ticket play. I mean, it could, and that would be massive potential to see 50, 60, 70x gains. Or if we cut the supply down by burning it, 100, 200, 500x gains in a coin like that. You gotta treat it as a lottery ticket play, man. I mean, that's the way you gotta go about it, unfortunately. And like they say, no risk, no reward. I was at the dentist. Oh God, when was it? I was at the dentist on Thursday, man. The dentist tells me, no pain, no gain. I'm like, this is not what I want to be hearing from the dentist. Oh my God, no pain, no gain. Just clean my teeth, man. No pain, no gain. Nah, but the x-rays, I'm telling you, those x-rays, you guys go to the dentist and they x-ray your teeth, right? You would think by this point, you're living in 2022 right now. Elon Musk is about to go to stinking Mars. Don't you think that they could put a little bit smaller or a little bit more comfortable backing on the thing they use to x-ray your mouth? This is 2022, man. Somebody get involved. Somebody get involved and make that thing they stick in your mouth to make you bite down on better. Maybe slightly smaller, maybe rounded edges, maybe make it out of like a rubber coating on the end so it doesn't hurt. Like, do something. She says, no pain, no gain. Oh, whatever, man. You're the one that's got to dig around in my bloodbath mouth after you get done x-raying me. This community's helpful. Heck yeah, rock and roll monkey. We like it. You will be getting that green name. I can tell. Who can tell already that rock and roll monkey is definitely going to be sticking around? I know this dude's going to stick around now. I can already feel it. I know he's going to have a green name here sooner rather than later. Who did you see HKD? Oh my God, ran up to 1,000. No, it didn't. Rumor out there's Apefather YOLO'd at the peak. Simon, stop that. Apefather did not YOLO at the peak. We hit 975 or something after hours. It did not hit 1,000. Yeah, 974, man. It tapped to 974. We've been watching it, dude. We've been watching it. And it ran in the last half hour of the day. What is going on? I'll tell you what. I'll put a buy order back in here at $4 per share. If it goes down to $4 per share, I'm totally getting in. Oh, I cannot believe it. Maybe people think they're buying the Hong Kong dollar. Because the ticker for the Hong Kong dollar is HKD. So they might think they're buying the Hong Kong dollar. Or they might think that they're buying like AMD, like graphics cards, by looking at AMD Digital and just misinterpreting the T. There's got to be something that's going on here. Or the Hong Kong version of AMD. Like there's got to be some sort of a disconnect between what people think they're buying and what they're buying there, because it's wild. I'll stick around for you. Heck yeah, being the first timer, I'll say how you handle it. It was golden for someone coming in hot like me, and your members are nice too. Dude, I'm telling you right now, I will brag on these people, these 127 people that are in here right now. By far, Rock and Roll Monkey, by far. Not even close. I don't even care what. I will talk trash about every other community out there right now, because these guys are they're the cream of the crop, man. They're the top of the top. This group of people on the internet is like prime. It is what you want to be a part of. These people are ridiculous, man. They really are. Now I gotta get a drink, but I don't know if I got anything left. Barely. Rock and roll, heck yeah. Clay, with AMC. Say we get you what you think, a low volume. Get that would, in theory, start pressure, but how will that put enough? To have shorts cover whoever they borrow? So, Chris, it's kind of like this, man. Let's just say we do get ridiculously low volume. Let's say there's 1 million shares or less being traded per day. That's ridiculously low. That gives you, at this point in time, what is it? Well, 1 million, dude, would give you 100 days to cover. They go like 100 million shares, right? That gives you 100 days to cover. That is insane. Stuff doesn't go up to 100 days to cover. It doesn't get that low. Let's say it did. That is an extreme risk, because if we're trading in an average volume of 1 million shares a day, these people, the hedge funds that are shorting AMC, they're not using their own money. It's the same crap that's going on with the cryptocurrency right now. They get that money from banks that you deposit to. So you've got your money on deposit with the bank. The bank wants to make some money. So the bank loans that money out to the hedge funds, and then the hedge funds go out there and invest that money. So the bank's paying you maybe 1/4% to keep your money with them. The bank's loaning it to the hedge funds and hope that the hedge fund's going to make 10-15% during the year. And then the bank is going to pay, or the hedge fund's going to pay that back to the bank. And they say, okay, thank you for loaning us that money. So what the bank would do, if they do a risk assessment, which at that point they probably would, because everybody in the world will be talking about AMC's volume being so low, what they're going to see is, okay, we loaned this money to them, and we know there's a massive short squeeze going on out there right now and a massive movement by retail investors. It's going to take these hedge funds 100 days to get our money back. That is a risk that we are not willing to take. Absolutely not. It's okay if you can get us our money tomorrow. If you're liquid, that's great. But if it takes you longer than it would take you to sell a Manhattan skyscraper to get our money back, no thank you. So it is going to be a major risk to any of the people who have lent money to those hedge funds, and they are not going to be standing for that. They would absolutely say, no, you got to cut your position in that. You got to get us our money back. We didn't sign up to be this illiquid. 2 pieces of meat, punchy, something. I don't know what's going on there. Riptide Redemption. Thank you for the super chat. This is a great community. Cheers to all who have found it. Banana, banjos, and band-aids. We got the triple B's in here, baby. I don't even know what that means. Banana, banjos, and band-aids. I like it, though. I only know what the banana one means. Outdoor Sam. Thank you for the super chat. Only way to properly eat a hot dog is you take that hot dog and you dip that hot dog. You dip it in your favorite dip. Whatever the dip is, you dip it in and you take that hot dog and you shove it, man. You take it in just one fell. Outdoor Sam. Thank you very much for the hot dog. How to properly eat a hot dog, ladies and gentlemen. It is called the dip and shove. Pudgy, no Sam, something, I don't even know what's going on. Liquid Stick Master, tentative new listing name, thinking better than Awana's cousin, a big brother, uncle, sister's neighbor. Yeah? Yep. Lick and Stick Masters, also a good name there. Something. Yo, no bully. But yeah, guys, don't bully anybody. Come on. MC Trap, bro. What good, bro? Not trying to skip your welcome for me. You good people? I get a good feeling for that kind of thing. We are good people, man. These people are the best in here. Someone say banana. Moji's like banana. Somebody say banana. Somebody wanted a banana? What is going on here? Moji, thank you for the banana. I'm thinking about Moji, but you guys know I'm looking at Trapper right now. It's called the lick and stick, guys. You take your head back a little bit, you lick it, you stick it. Moji, thank you very much. And if you guys didn't notice, eye contact the entire time. Most important part of that entire thing. Moji, man, thank you very much. Sam's father, sons, uncles, cousins, brothers, nephews, roommates. Also in here. Guys, the thing you don't realize, Sam's done more for this channel in the last, 3 weeks than anybody ever has. He brought his entire family in here. And let me tell you right now, it is a very large family. Looks like Shiba's going up. Bitcoin's going up. Crypto going on a nice little run this afternoon. Bitcoin back up above 23,000 from 22.9 here. So looking pretty good there. Sitting at 23,066. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 1,200 points per coin. 11.97 at the moment. AMC sitting at 0.13% lower. 15.35 after hours. GameStop sitting 0.14% lower after hours. Any major action anywhere else? Any major action? No, Revlon and Boxed down a little bit after hours here, but let's see HKD. Where are we going with HKD? HKD back up to 801. Nope, 740 right now. HKD sitting at 740, guys. Already a massive drop. Listen, I know you have no emotion to HKD right now, so therefore your answer may not be true. But imagine AMC does run from 420, really high. Imagine you're still in at 420, and it runs to 974. Could you guys imagine going, you got a $10 average on AMC, and you run up to $974? Oh my gosh. Nonetheless, you go 974, and after hours, it is back down to 740. 740. You're on a broker right now and you can't trade after hours. What is going on? Are you panicking? Are you ready to sell? Do you wish you would have sold at 974? What thoughts are going through your mind right now? Use them to prepare. Because if you look here, we had touched Friday. We had touched 485. Let's go pre-market. It might be a little bit better. You can see pre-market touches 524. Drops down at the open to 288. A 50% loss in the first 10 minutes of trading. You would have thought, oh man, I should have sold. I should have sold this morning when it was at $300. I should have sold pre-market when it's $500. I should have sold right now before I could have got out. And then, boom. Runs up to $478. Comes back down to $330. I should have sold. Boom. We're sitting at $974. What do you do? This is the type of volatility that when AMC goes to squeeze, you should expect this or even more volatility. Hey, maybe 974. I'm telling you right now, if AMC hit 974, you have no idea how thrilled I would be. I would call that my $1,000 dream price point. And I would be extremely happy. Would I have sold? I don't know. But I would be nervous if it pulled back to 740. I would. I'm not going to lie. These type of emotions and the volatility that kicks in here, you got to have your plan ready to go. And I'm telling you, 974 to 740, you're going to feel it if we get down there. You're going to feel it. True that, Pringleton. Something click. I can't leave until you hit me with an AD. Oh, it's 4:30. If we don't have 50 likes, you guys are getting hit with an ad. If we don't have 50 likes, you guys are definitely getting hit. 41 likes, you guys. Man, I'm sitting here. I'm telling you guys what. You have no respect for that like button. Oh my goodness. You have no respect for that like button. And I don't know why. Hopefully you click it now. JB, man, thank you for reminding me to click that like button. Call me paper hand. If AMC goes to 300, I'm out. Dude, that's the thing, man. I've been called paper hand. I've been called shill. Dude, you guys remember how hot they were coming in from Reddit when I said that I would love to see AMC go to $1,000. Shill my life away, dude. My goodness, basically. One step shy. I hate. I mean, dude, I remember, okay? Like, I would make a video, and my dad would message me, dude, do you see what they're saying about you on Reddit? No. What are they saying? Like, he would see the stuff that they were saying about me before I would see the stuff they're saying about me. Bad news, guys. Bad news when people hate you like that. $2.99, I'm out, JB. Ooh, Simon undercutting. Okay, got a run start for hypothetically paper handing at 300. JB, thank you for hypothetically still being in at $300 per share. JB, man, enjoy your day. I can't even skip these ads. Good outdoor Sam. Good. Thanks, Clay. Not gonna lie, getting that eye twitch irritation because still haven't made the money and don't know how to keep up. Let me say this, Chris. Let me say this because, yes, I've had, and I'm not gonna lie to anybody in here, it has been a very, very, very difficult 2022. And what you're gonna have to learn from 2022 is a very hard but very simple lesson. All of the old guys out there, you think of Warren Buffett and Bill Gates might be a bad example because everybody hates him now. But, you know, think of Elon Musk. Like, think of these guys out there that make money in the market, okay? How many of them are traders? How many of them are options traders at that? If you think of guys that have gotten wealthy investing. And I actually retweeted a story that I was reading on there. Some guy interviewed like 225 millionaires and kind of correlated their habits and like personality traits or something that he was talking about there. Well, the way they became a millionaire and then their habits is what he was saying. If you look at all of the guys that have any level of success in the stock market, here's the unfortunate thing, and Chris, and literally everybody else listening right now, right? Here's the unfortunate thing. You can never leave. You can never leave. It's not a game of, I'm going to come in, and 2022 is going to be my year. I'm going to come in, and I'm going to 10x my portfolio. I'm going to come in, and I'm going to get back out. It is unfortunately a long man's game. And by the time you see the success there, and by success, I do mean these guys with generational wealth, right? Or even these average guys that become millionaires. It happens with time. Time is what turns you into that wealthy. Time is what generates the wealth. It's not necessarily a single trade. It's not a good move. It's not one good year. It's not a good decision. It's the time that you're willing to put in. Frodo says, I'm an old guy. Put me in that list. But you guys see what I'm saying, though? You look at literally a lot of these people that were in that story earlier. They saved 20% of their income. I would say you can even save more than 20% of your income. He said that they were frugal and that they were willing to invest a portion of their income year in and year out. And they weren't 20 years old. They weren't 30 years old. Unless they had literally like started a company, invented something, or whatever their claim to fame was, it happened for them because they were willing to put in the time and they were willing to put in the effort. So, yes, Chris, I get it, man. I get it. You've got that eye twitch going on. You want it to happen. You want it to happen now. I want it to happen. I want it to happen now. But it is a long man's game, dude. You have to be willing to be here for the long run. You are almost guaranteed, and I say almost because there's always the chance that the United States falls, that we do come to the end of the world, that Armageddon happens. There's always that chance, right? So you are almost guaranteed to be a multi-millionaire if you are only willing to put in the time and the discipline. If you're willing to sacrifice the $5 a day, you're there. You're there. Just with average returns, you are there. And I know nobody wants to wait 30, 40 years to have $1 million in the bank, but you are there. It just takes a little time. It takes a little discipline. If we get a major boost because of something like a massive crypto rally or a massive AMC stock short squeeze, you do have a choice at that point in time. Get out of the market if you don't like the stress, if you can't handle it. But I'm going to tell you this. What we're doing right now is not typical, right? This is not a set it and forget it type of a portfolio. This is not a passive income. This is actively watching the markets, allowing ourselves to be stressed out by the ups and the downs, and trying to take a short-term mentality to making these gains. And, you know, I'm realizing that myself, too. It's not like I'm just sitting up here and trying to tell everybody else that. It's what I'm living through as well. So it's just, if I can come to that realization and not only realize that, but somehow embody it as well, somehow understand it, somehow allow that to become the mentality, then it takes away the worry, it takes away the stress, it takes away the pain of watching these lines day in and day out. It's all they are, guys. Red and green lines. And all they do is change the little number on the screen. It's just a number and it's just a color. That's all it is at the end of the day. But I'm telling you, the experience that we're gathering right now with this nonsense that we're being put through, it's either going to make you or break you. And I hope that it makes you. Kidnap Ship Bro. Never do it! What did you fire, Mo? Something I'm buying. Crap ton of good cheap stocks prices right now. Hold for the long term. At Riptide, man. Yeah. If you can be sitting there 10 years from now, 15 years from now, and say, dang, look what I did in 2022 to set me up for where I am now. I guarantee, you know, you're not thinking of yourself 15 years from now, but that dude would really thank you for just making some small increments and some small decisions. I mean, he's really going to thank you. For a moment, age is just a number. Y'all nice to me, a foolish newcomer coming in hot. I didn't know nothing, and I'm learning a lot of it. Old folks is wisdom, my bro. Heck yeah, rock and roll. 79, good day. 7 birds. Dude, don't be shooting birds. Come on, man. What are you going to shoot birds for? Krabby Bog, something, yeah, but it was on fire. Oh, 7 birdies. Oh, God, I thought he was shooting birds. He was golfing. Oh, my gosh. I thought this dude was literally out shooting birds. I'm like, don't go shoot these birds. I found a little baby. So, listen, you guys are going to make fun of me. I'm going to tell you anyway. There's another little baby bunny that's hopping around my backyard. So I put one of those blankets out in the backyard, and I went and sat there for, oh man, it was Friday night or Saturday night. I forget. Must have been Saturday night. Yeah, it was Saturday night. Saturday night, man. I go put that little blanket out there. Act like I'm having a picnic with myself, drinking my, it was lemonade, not iced tea. Drinking my lemonade, waiting for that bunny to come out. Lo and behold, the bunny does come out. But you know what else I noticed? Just sitting out there, right by the edge of the woods, waiting for that little bunny to hop out. And beautiful when he did, man. I love that little guy. But anyway, I'm sitting here right next to this bush, right? And I hear one of those little cat birds. You got those little cat birds out there. And I'm like, man, I wish I could see that little guy. Then I see him. Hops up. Dude, he right in my darn face, man. Probably like, I don't know, 7 feet away from me. This dude's got a beautiful little bird's nest with 3 brand new baby birds. Waiting for mama to come feed them. Oh, man. Go outside. Go outside, guys. Look at a tree. Look at a bush. Enjoy some nature. I loved that. It was a good Saturday night. Click, keep it real. What do you think Shiba Inu price will jump to when Shibarium comes out? Honest opinion. So, Giovanni, I don't think that Shibarium is going to have a huge impact on the price of Shiba Inu coin. If it does, if people are super excited, if they're really ready to buy, we might see a 20, 30, 40, 50% price increase. But I think it's going to be similar to when Robinhood listed Shiba Inu coin. I think that hype is going to die down relatively quick because people are going to realize that we need a long-term growth in Shibarium for Shiba Inu coin to really sustain those movements. Why? If we expect many coins to be burnt, it's going to take a lot of time and it's going to take a lot of adoptants. We're not going to get a lot of people adopting Shibarium right off the bat. People are going to have to wait to see thousands, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of people using Shibarium. And when their patience isn't able to pay off, when they're not able to be patient and they don't get their immediate results, it's going to be tough. They're not going to be able to handle it, and they're most likely going to try and sell their gains. It's little bunny Foo-Foo, Clay, hopping right out the forest, Frodo, hopping right out the forest. Now, I'm not going to name him Foo-Foo if I do get to name him, but I really do wish that little dude would just hop right over to me one day. Just let me pet him right on the tiny little head. I would love it. Let's see. Could you have a message for my girl to help her understand why we do what we do? Huddle until the end. She's not understanding why we buy into the market when it's all the red. She needs some good... Yeah, so look, if anybody's wondering why you buy into such a devastating market, and here's the truth. Nobody knows how much lower it's going to go. Nobody knows if it's going to drop off a cliff tomorrow and be down 50 to 90%. Nobody knows how much worse it's going to get. But if you do believe in the future of cryptocurrency and stocks for that matter, but I know you're more into crypto, if you believe that they have a future at all, they're most likely going to go higher than where they are now. Just to reach the all-time highs that we had on a lot of these coins, you're already hitting a 10x investment just from where we are right now. So even if you're buying in at these current prices, when things are low, they're actually moving higher at the moment. But when things are low, if it just returns to where it was before, you've 10x'd your money. A lot of people, and you can notice it in the views, you can notice it on Google Trends and the amount of people searching for content. You can understand very quickly that people are only excited by it and people only want to participate in it when it's winning. That is the only time they want to get in. And I know you guys, there's a lot of sports guys out there, and I would never know what it's like. I mean, if you're looking at the Cleveland Browns and crap like that, nobody knows what it's like to be a winner around here. But if you're unwilling to kind of buy in when it's low and you only get in when it's high, it's very difficult to make just substantial gains like that. You can absolutely make money buying in and having an asset continually hit higher highs. But if you want those substantial gains and you believe in the future of what you're investing in, you got to do it. You got to dollar cost average. You got to get in and continue to get in. And that's why I say it's a long man's game. You have to be willing to kind of weather all of the storms if you want to come out the other side. Thanks, Clay. And not trying to bring negative vibes. I get it. Headbutts to the wall. Not really. I love being in the community, but staying hype. We know it's going to go down, and tomorrow's not. No, Chris, 100% agree, dude. 100% agree. AMC, definitely a tough investment to be in. Shiba Inu coin, definitely a tough investment to be in. Anything is an extremely difficult. I don't care if you're looking at Tesla, anything, or Berkshire Hathaway, anything on a day-to-day basis is an extremely difficult investment to justify. You never know where it's going to go day to day. It could go up, it could go down, it could go up, it could go down, it could go up, it could go down. But if all of a sudden you take your day-to-day investment and you make it a 10, 20, 30, 40-year investment, okay? Nobody wants to do that. I know nobody wants to do that. But if you take that approach to it, and you look at any point in history, it is up. It is up and up and up. It smooths that curve out so much that you are almost guaranteed, and I say almost, right, because we could have Armageddon, we could end the world at any given time, but you are almost guaranteed to not just have a nice gain, but be wildly successful as well. You know, we look at the NASDAQ, right? And this is a monthly graph here. This is a weekly graph. We never know what's going to happen on a weekly basis. This is a daily basis. I mean, look at this. Look at this right here. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Let's say you're playing options that expire and you have to hit it right. Boom, cut out of the game already. You guessed up and dude, it went down. You guessed down, you're going to continue to the downside. Boom, it goes up. You're going to be playing short-term swings, week at a time. Boom, goes up for 3 days, hits sideways. Oh, you think it's going to go up again? Boom, goes down. You know, there's so much volatility in the short term. Take it out to a weekly graph. And look at this, man. Yeah, had some nice steady gains, but boom, killed all your gains for the last 2 years here. Nobody wants to see that. Let's smooth it out on a monthly graph and see what we look like. You know, we have had some very large swings. This is a major dot-com bubble bursting here in 2000. This is 2008, man. The global financial crisis in 2008 was this swing right here. The overwhelming trend, if you are simply willing to just let it go, is up. Now look, you guys can admit, this pullback that we're seeing right here, this massive decline that we're seeing right now, it is a bigger point decline than the dot-com bubble, than 2008, than the global pandemic, than literally anything we've seen. This is a massive, Chris, you guys, everybody out there is holding through a massive pullback right now, unlike anything we've seen. But here's what we know. If these long-term trends just continue to hold, we can absolutely say that this pullback we're seeing right now is just going to be a tiny blip on the chart over the next 10, 20, 30. Wow, that's only 20. 20, 30, 40 years, man. We're going to say, look at this tiny little blip. So that's why I say it's a long man's game if you don't want to deal with this stress, right? We look at it day to day. We do have a shorter term mentality, and unfortunately it does take a lot out of us because this seems like a long time. This seems like a really long time here. November, and we're coming in on November again, man. We're already coming back in on November. That's a year. That seems like a long time. But if you put it in the perspective of an actual long-term trend, I mean, this is what we're going to be seeing here 30 years from now when we're all sitting here, all old guys, sitting poolside because we stuck it out, and all of a sudden the overall market is up 10x from where we're at right here, guys. Look, if you look at this, 1,600 points, right? Or 16,000 points, right? That's 1,600. This is basically 1,000x. No, this is 100x in this area right here. Over 92 to 20, 40 years. If you're looking at another 100x, we are going to be up here. Gosh, I can't even find it. If you're waiting on another 40-year period, this is where we're going to be. This is where we're going to be, and this is how small 2022 is going to look if we wait. And if the overall market is 100xing, imagine some of these companies 1,000xing, 10,000xing, and growing along the way. There's unfortunately no other way that you can successfully and stress-free view the market. It's got to be that long term. Trading, day trading, swing trading, all of that can be fun, but I'm telling you right now, it does lead to stress if we're constantly worried about the ups and the downs. Let's see. Matthew Perry is in here. Heck yeah, man. What's going on, Matt? How you doing today? I only got 4 million of it. Something. Don't know what we were talking about there. Get 6 million more Hemi. Heck yeah. What's a good price to sell Mullen? Opinions? Anyone? Did he do that? You know, a lot of people are saying Molinado is going to be the next Tesla. So it's completely up to you in what you believe Molinado can accomplish as a company, not just stock price wise. 1,000x for 40 years? Heck no. Crypto is the way. Dude, even if you're imagining crypto, right? Imagine crypto 1,000xing, okay? It's $1 trillion valuation. If crypto 1,000x'd over a 40-year period, dude, that's a $250 billion valuation. A $250 billion valuation, man. Stock market's not a stock market's like a $50 trillion valuation right now. If you're looking at 1,000x investment and you're saying that that is low, you got to hit the lottery, dude. You got to hit the lottery at that point. You really do. Please do not take for granted a 1,000x increase on your money. May as well hold. John Blair. Heck yeah. That's how old I will be when I can't work anymore. Something. John, how old, man? There's an internet of water on the river. Must be a dust devil took it. Something. Clay, with gains like that, it's impossible to pass up. My question is, what part out of all of this? My question is, what is my part out of all of this? Sure, I am a Joe Blow, but I know we are all cogs in the machine of this market. Rock and roll, man. Look, what is your part in this? I don't know you, right? So are you the guy that just sets aside $100 a month? Are you the guy that is able to invest a little bit more? Do you get a thrill out of trading and hitting 10% gains every now and then on individual stocks? Is it a completely passive investment for you? You're taking your money, you're literally just setting it aside and just watching it grow, or not even watching it grow. Just literally putting it into an investment every month and hoping that it grows. You know, I don't know what your investment style is, but I do know this. With discipline, with dedication, and patience, every single one of us can absolutely hit those long-term gains. It just takes that long-term mentality of I want it now and I want it today, which can absolutely happen. You know, we see Shiba Inu coin, we see AMC, we see these things in the short term, right? But it's stressful. What I'm saying is there is an alternative that is stress-free. Listen to Diddy do that and hit that like button, guys. I'm a farmer. Hey, 38 plus 40, 78 years old. Listen, John Blair, man, and I'm not saying that you don't have, like, you know, you sit on $1 million or whatever and you look at these 40-year gains, you're sitting on $1 million. That's making the assumption that you're literally starting with nothing and you're only putting $150 a month in, $5 a day or so, sitting on $1 million when you're ready to go. Clearly, if you're 38, you may or may not have some more savings that you can put in. You may or may not want to be more aggressive or less aggressive, depending on your time frame and what you see as acceptable. But I'll tell you this, dude. If you're a healthy 78-year-old and you've got your grandkids and your great-grandkids out there, there is not one healthy 78-year-old out there that wouldn't love to take his grandkids out to eat, to make sure that they can go on vacation, to make sure that they've got something that they're not going to have to worry about this and that. And I'm not saying go out there and buy your kids and your kids' kids and your kids' kids a house and they don't have to work or anything like that. That's still acceptable. But, dude, there's not one 78-year-old out there right now that wouldn't love to see and spend time with his family and have the money to do so as well, man. There's not a person out there that thinks they're too old to have some money in the bank. Oh, gosh. Best adult dating sites. You got a lot of chats out there, man. You hit 4 of them. Good deal. Thanks for being a farmer, bro, and it's a tough biz, but we appreciate it. We do, man. I like to eat food. Oh, I do kind of like to eat food. I don't eat that much food, but I do like to eat food, and I appreciate the fact that I can eat food. So thank you for being a farmer, dude. Sex bots are bullish, man. They definitely are bullish. Got him. Got him, AMC Trapper. Got him. I like it. AMC Trapper coming in hot with the bot. I like it, man. Buying private island. Moji, kids don't need a private island, dude. That's the thing. Everybody always wants a private island and a private jet and a private Lamborghini and all of that. You don't need it to have some fun. Clem 35, trying to retire in the next 5 years with crypto. King Cobra, let me tell you this. It's possible, okay? But I will tell you as well, you know, it's a risk, okay? You can't take it for anything that is guaranteed. But I will say, if you look at the gains that we saw in crypto over the last 3 years, let's go out here. I like this one a little bit better. And let's look at, I don't know. We don't need to look at Shiba Inu coin. Let's look at Ethereum. Still a very large coin, but nonetheless, still some explosive gains. Michael, thank you for the super chat. Michael says, fist, bump, fist, bump, fist, bump. Michael, man, thank you very much for the super chat. And I did follow you out on Twitter. I don't know if you saw that or not, but thank you very much, man. Really appreciate that. My dude's fist bumping me every single time. I love it. King Cobra, 5-year plan too. Heck yeah. So let's look at this, guys, okay? Let's say you had a 5-year plan and you were buying, this is only a 2-year plan right here, remember. But let's say you had a 5-year plan, 2016, okay? 2016, you're buying Ethereum at, wow, $4, $1, $2, $6, $9, $14. Okay, so let's take the average price in 2016. And let's say we're getting into Ethereum at $5. Could have gotten in at $1. Who the heck would have wanted to buy after it 5x'd? Well, if you did, it ended the year like $13. So, yeah, end of the year in the $10 range. So let's say that you did get in around $5 per coin on Ethereum. You 1,000x'd your money. 1,000x'd your money in a 5-year time frame. Now, you know, you're looking at 1,000x. You might be saying, oh, yeah, well, that's great. I don't think that's ever going to happen again, or there's no way I could have done it. Guys, $1,000 investment. It's a risky investment. It's crypto. It's like the wild, wild west. Nobody knows what's going on or what's going to happen. $1,000 investment turned into $1 million. $10,000. If you were able to chip away and save for that entire year, and you were really serious about having a crypto portfolio, and you were able to lock up $10,000, maybe not just in Ethereum, diversify it, whatever. $1,000 investment, because we can go back to Bitcoin as well. We can go back here and look at Bitcoin. $10,000 portfolio, you're sitting on a $10 million crypto investment. And I'm going to tell you this. Outdoor Sam. I'll tell you this after I say Outdoor Sam. Thank you for the super chat. Anybody want to see Clay Bros Peach? You got Clay Bros Peach right here. Ooh, fuzzy. Outdoor Sam, man. Thank you very much for the super sticker. Really appreciate that. Peach, though. Oh, yes. Trapper needs a little love. Simon does, too. Riptide Redemption, man. Thank you for that lick and stick. We got you. You got to take that. You got a Trapper. All you, man. All you. Thank you very much, AMC Trapper. And we got Simonino with the salt shaker. You got to throw it over because it tastes so good. You just got to... but it gets in your eyes every time. Riptide Redemption, man. Thank you very much. With Shiba realistically in 1 to 3 years. Chris. Realistically, it depends on the overall cryptocurrency market, but I would absolutely expect it to, you know, if we go on a bull run and crypto rebounds, I would absolutely expect Shiba Inu coin to be retesting its all-time highs along with the overall cryptocurrency market. If the overall market's not rebounding by that time, I don't think that Shiba Inu coin will be rebounding by that time. But if it is, I think Shiba is, you know, right there along with those other prices. So if you expect Bitcoin to be testing 70,000 again in the next 1 to 3 years, I would expect Shiba Inu coin to be testing that 8,800, 10,000 points per coin level, 10xing, like 8 to 10xing from where we're at right now. But that's based on overall crypto market movement. You ignore all of my super chat. Wrench for Pudgy. Pudgy, you got a wrench right there, man. What are we talking about, Pudgy? I would never ignore your super chat. Really appreciate that, man. And I already see the wrench in your name, dude. Already see that wrench in your name, man. I see it right there, don't you? Everybody else sees the wrench in Pudgy's name right now, right? What were we talking? Bitcoin. You're looking at Bitcoin. 2016, okay? 2016, Bitcoin is sitting in the, well, let's call it an average of, dang, you're basically going 300 to 1,000. It's called an average of $600, $700 per coin. 10x gives you $7,000. 100x. So you 1,000 extra money on Ethereum. You 100 extra money on Bitcoin. $1 million in Bitcoin off your $10,000 investment. $10 million in Ethereum off your $1,000 investment. What we've got, guys, is your 5-year plan could absolutely turn into something. But these massive swings along the way are yours to decide what to do with. Clearly, if you bought Ethereum for $5 or Bitcoin, or we had Ethereum up here a second ago. So clearly, if you buy Ethereum, $5 a coin, and in 2017, it runs up to $500, $1,000 a coin, I mean, you're going to want to sell, right? And if you did, think about that. You 200 extra investment, and then you were able to buy back in after a 90% decline. So if you traded it like that, which is, it could be good, it could be bad. If you traded it, you're making 10 times as much money. That $10 million went to 100. Your 1 million, your 1,000 that turned into $1 million, all of a sudden turned into $10 million. It's crazy what you can absolutely do. Zion's channel, becoming a little bro. I love it, man. Guys, we got to say welcome to Zion's channel. And listen, I did not even see that it is after 5 o'clock right now. So welcome to Zion's channel, but we are going to be getting off here. Zion, man, thank you very much for grabbing that green name, becoming a little bro. Really appreciate you. I know, see, yeah, right, Pudgy, you just took it off there, man. Guys, say welcome to Zion, and on the way out, I'm going to be giving you a shout out for doing so. You got videos coming in at 7 p.m., videos coming in at 8 p.m. If you have not yet joined the Discord, please do so. I'll give you guys a shout out for joining the Discord too, because I do have the Discord opened up right here. So make sure to join the Discord. It is absolutely free. It's basically an extension of this chat in here right now. There's a stocks channel, crypto channel, and just a general chat channel. There's no charges or anything like that. So if you want to extend the fun into the after hours, after the live streams, and so on, and have fun with each other, and I do jump in there at times as well, just click that free Discord link up there. Join the channel. We got about 700 people in there already. So closing in. We're going for 1,000, guys. Let's make it happen. Zion, it's official. I'm a little bro. Now that's what I'm talking about. Zion is a little bro right now. Thank you very much, guys. We'll do these shout outs. And please, if you want to join the Discord, all you got to do is click that Discord button there. So really appreciate that, man. Kilman Brosek. Yeah, rock and roll. Glad to have you as well, man. I don't know if you joined the Discord or not, but click that Discord button. You guys are joining that one. Absolutely free, too. I don't know what it's going to turn into in the future, but we'll see what happens with it. AMC Trapper saying peace out to the diamond-handed apes and the Shiba army. Moji, Outdoor Sam, we got Lucky Stotts, Frodo, see you later, man. Pringleton, Zion, thank you very much. Michael Allen, see you later. DD214, Diddy Doodat, M&D, Hemi Life, Rock and Roll, Hemi Life, Zion's channel, see you later, Rock and Roll, and thank you once again, Zion. John J, enjoy your evening. Next level, later to you. YMB, fight, see you later, man. James R. Berg, sorry, see you later, enjoy your evening. DD214, AMZ to Pluto, new foe. Adios to you, Diddy Doodat, Pringleton. See you later. Everybody else in here. DJ Haas. Enjoy your evening. All of you guys know what time it is. So if you can say it with me, say it with me. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.